Pope Francis, the spiritual leader of the worldwide Catholic Church, has been hospitalized in Rome due to a respiratory tract infection. The 86-year-old Pope was admitted to the Gemelli Hospital after experiencing difficulty breathing, and has since been diagnosed with double pneumonia. The Vatican has announced that the Pope's condition is being closely monitored, and he's receiving treatment for his illness. Despite his health issues, Pope Francis remains a symbol of hope and inspiration for millions of people around the world. Known for his compassionate and inclusive approach to faith, Pope Francis has been a beacon of light for many during his papacy. From his advocacy for social justice and environmental protection, to his efforts to promote interfaith dialogue and understanding, the Pope has left an indelible mark on the world. As the Pope undergoes treatment and recovers from his illness, people from all over the world are coming together to pray for his health and well-being. The Vatican has asked for prayers and support during this time, and we invite you to join us in praying for the Pope's speedy recovery. Let us take a moment to pray for Pope Francis, that he may be restored to full health and continue to inspire and guide us on our journey of faith. We pray that God may bless him with strength, comfort, and peace, and that he may remain a source of hope and joy for all those who look up to him. Please join us in praying for Pope Francis, and let us come together as a global community to support him during this time. We invite you to share your prayers and well wishes for the Pope in the comments below, and to keep him in your thoughts and prayers in the days ahead. Thank you for watching, and may God bless us all.